Hey there, struggling with a no signal issue on your TV and your remote is not working? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix the no signal on TV when your remote is not working. We understand how frustrating it can be to sit down for some screen time only to be met with a black screen. Don't worry though, there are some simple steps you can take to get back to your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Check your TV's power and input. First things first, ensure that your TV is actually powered on. It might seem too obvious, but sometimes the simplest things can trip us up. Check whether the power LED is lit. If there is no light, make sure your TV is plugged in correctly. Next, ensure that your TV is set to the correct input source. While your remote is out of commission, use the buttons on your TV to cycle through the input options. Look for a button labeled Input or Source and press it to toggle through available sources. Step 2. Inspect cables and connections. Loose cables are a common culprit when it comes to connectivity issues. Double check all cables connected to your TV. Start with the HDMI cable as it's often responsible for transferring the signal. Make sure it is securely plugged into the correct HDMI port on your TV and also connected properly to your source device, such as a cable box, gaming console, or streaming device. If possible, try using a different HDMI cable or port to rule out cable or port issues. Step 3. Troubleshoot the source device. If you're still seeing the no signal message, the problem may lie with the source device. Power cycle the device by unplugging it from the power source, waiting 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Once you've done this, ensure the device is on and properly connected. If it has a standby mode, confirm that it hasn't accidentally switched into it. Step 4. Adjust TV settings manually. Without a working remote, you'll rely on the physical buttons on the TV for this step. Access the menu directly from the TV to check a few things. Navigate to Menu, Settings, Signal Strength to determine if there's an issue with your TV's reception. If you are using an antenna, adjust its position and orientation until you find optimal reception. Again, without a remote, going through the menu options might be cumbersome, but it's a necessary step. Step 5. Consider replacing or repairing the remote. If you find yourself frequently facing this situation, it might be worth addressing the remote issue as well. First, try changing the batteries. It may be as simple as that. If it still doesn't work, consider purchasing a universal remote or even using your smartphone as a remote via TV remote apps. These can be great alternatives and might provide features beyond the traditional remote. There you have it. These steps should help you fix the no signal on TV when your remote is not working, helping you get back to enjoying your entertainment without further delay. Checking power and inputs, ensuring cables and connections are secure, troubleshooting what you can, and considering an alternative or replacement remote should all help resolve your no signal problem. Remember, technology can be tricky sometimes, but with a little patience and effort, you can usually figure things out without much hassle. Happy watching.